Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to delete YouTube search history on iPhone. So step one, open, my bad. So step one, open the YouTube app. This is it. And then I will make a couple of searches. For example, iPhone 17. Then I will search for iPhone 18. Then I will search for iPhone 19 just to make a little bit of YouTube history. Now let's see my YouTube history. As you see, iPhone 17, 19 and 18. Now to delete this search history, it's simple. Just from this YouTube homepage, click on your profile icon from this corner and then click on this little settings wheel and then select manage all history. Now click on delete and select the time range or the history time range that you want to delete. For example, I will go with delete all time. And this is what you are deleting. As you see, I searched for iPhone 19, 18 and 17. You can also preview more. Now click on delete. And just like that, you've deleted your YouTube search history. Now to make sure that my search history is well deleted, I will return to the home page and click on the search. And as you see, no more search history here. Same thing if I search from this corner, as you see, no more search history. And this is how to delete your YouTube search history on iPhone. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.